Hi there, and welcome to Banking and Credit in Canada. This video is designed for international students who have arrived or will be arriving shortly in Canada, but it also has useful information for anyone interested in banking or credit. There are 3 videos in this series, and this is the first, which talks about banking in Canada. Let's get started. Banks provide financial services. A bank takes cash deposits, lends money, and provides other financial services such as loans, lines of credit, wire transfers, bill payment services, and much more. The most important thing to know is that your money is safe. Canada has a very stable and well-developed banking system, and your deposits are insured up to $100,000 through CDIC. The big 5 banks, as we refer to them, are BMO, CIBC, RBC, TD, and Scotia. But Canada has other banks that are just as reputable, such as President's Choice, Simply, Tangerine, National Bank of Canada, Manulife Bank of Canada, and some others. Credit unions, on the other hand, are owned by their members. Anyone can join at most credit unions. Some have a membership fee, and some return profits to their members. Like banks, credit unions provide checking and savings accounts, mortgages and loans, investment advice, and other services. Most important thing to know is that your money is safe. Ontario's credit unions cover non-registered deposits up to $250,000 through the FSRA. In the Hamilton area, some credit unions are First Ontario and Meridian. There are 2 common account types in Canada: a checking account, which lets you write checks but not gain interest on your funds, and savings accounts, which let you earn a little bit of interest on your funds. Most people in Canada have both types of accounts. It's up to you which you want to open and use. To open a bank account at a new bank, you should call ahead or book an appointment online. You may also be able to open your account remotely without visiting a bank. What documents do you need? A passport, a study permit, and your letter of acceptance should do to open most bank accounts. Do you need a social insurance number? Only if you open an account that earns interest, like a savings account. If you're just opening a checking account, then you will not need your SIN. And how do I choose the best account? The big 5 banks all have student accounts, but some offer limited transactions, so be sure to check the number of transactions allowed for free and the location of branches. Some banks have newcomer account packages that offer incentives for signing up. Here are some general banking tips. Try to monitor your balances. Check them at least once a week. Make sure there's enough money in your account to cover expenses so you don't go into overdraft. That can be costly. Set up pre-authorized payments and transfers between accounts. Let your bank account do the work. And only pay for services that you need. Try to avoid using payday loans and check cashing outlets. These services can have very high fees and interest charges. And try to avoid using ATMs at banks other than your own. There can also be high fees for this.